Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a VPN app that can help improve your internet connection and add basic security while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store, so you can easily download it on your Android device. On this channel, we share apps and guides that help you stay safer while using the internet. To get started, open the Google Play Store and search for the VPN app shown in this video. Make sure you check the app name and icon, then install it on your device and open it. After opening the app, tap on the menu and update the app resources so it can work properly. Next, leave the server option on auto-select so the app can choose the best server for you. Now select the UDP network option, which usually works faster on most networks. After that, add connection time so the VPN does not stop while you are using the internet. Once everything is set, tap on the Start button. The app will connect, and your internet connection will be active. Please remember that free VPN apps may not provide full privacy or security. Avoid using them for banking or personal accounts. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.